Kanina, na-impress si Judge Jimmy sa kabig ng Cagayano na si Mark. At ngayon naman, eto na ang kaparehan niyang nurse na may golden touch na may golden voice pa.
Matagal na akong kumakanta since bata pa ako. Kumakanta ako sa church, sa school, sa community namin. Usually po, kumakanta po ako sa mga staff nurses. Dito, kapag may parties, dito sa hospital. Sometimes po, kumakanta po ako sa mga patients. Number one siguro ang inspiration ko is my parents. I think it's my time to realize my own dream. Kaya ako sumali sa Rising Star para ma-share ko pa sa maraming tao yung pagkanta ko. I'm Rochelle Marie Ubay-Ubay. Suportahin ko ninyo, ugbani ko ninyo sa akong paglaban sa Rising Stars.
Ang singing nurse ng Cagayan de Oro, Rochelle Ubay-Ubay.
There are generations of love on her face. She was so wise, so surprised as her eyes. She's seen it all. She saw the smile as she told me that she pulled out that old rocking chair once again. What she told me would mold me and holds me together inside. Yeah, 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 yeah. She said, "Don't look on the moon in the dark of night. Ain't a moon that's gonna come till time is right. Can't get to better days as you make it through the night. You gotta make it through the night, yes you do. You can't get to know no better days unless you make it through the night. Whoa, you will see those better days, but you're gonna be patient. Start to remember now. You can't come to know no better days.
Rochelle Marie Ubay-Ubay. Pakinggan natin ang sasabihin ni Judge Nina.
You choose a very difficult song to sing. Yung Better Days, sobrang hirap kantahin yan eh. Lalo na kung hindi mo alam by heart yung song. Kasi yung message niyan iba eh. Talagang kailangan kausapin mo yung audience para maintindihan na, you gotta be patient. Pero habang pinapanood kita, nakapikit ka lang. So parang hindi pumasok sa akin, hindi nag-come through yung message nung song. Ang iniisip mo ngayon, yung technique muna bago yung song. Kaya tuloy hindi namin naintindihan kung ano yung song na pinaparating mo sa amin. Pero overall, okay naman siya.
Rochelle Marie Ubay-Ubay of CDO! Isa pang sobrang successful na auditions ay ang ating Pampanga at Pangasinan leg. Nako, hindi lang masasarap na pagkain ang kanilang inihain doon, kundi mapapanganga kayo sa galing ng mga Rising Stars hopefuls from the North. Ito ang patikim nila.
Sana ang pangako mo, pero one last cry. Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right,
And lay you down.
Makaro naman natin sa Pampanga ang sunod na isinalang ng Rising Stars sa matinding auditions. At dito sa culinary capital of the Philippines, nagharap-harap ang pinakamagagaling na singing talents ng Central Luzon. init-init na ihinain ang iba't ibang style ng pagkanta. Tamang-tama ang mga timpla at swak na swak sa panlasa. Nagkaalaman na kung kaninong boses ang pinakamasarap sa tenga.
Mr. Robert Cosma! Mr. Jake Diaz!
Ako po si Jake Diaz, 21 years old, ang rising star from Dagupan City. Nag-start po ako kumanta when I was in elementary. Na-discover po ng kapitbahay namin kasi kumakanta po ako. And then sabi niya, uy, may boses ka. Try mo kaya sumama sa isang singing contest kahit sa mga barangay-barangay muna o sa mga maliliit na contest. Hanggang sa tinuloy-tuloy ko po yun hanggang ngayon, na-develop naman po kahit papano yung boses ko. Pag may talento ka, kailangan i-develop mo siya para umangat ka and at the same time para makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo. Sana matupad namin yung mga pangarap namin sa tulong ng Rising Stars.
Ito na ang raketerong musikero ng Pangasinan, Jake Diaz!
I've been waiting for my dreams to turn into something I could believe in and looking for that magic rainbow on the horizon. I couldn't see it until I let go, gave in to love, watch all the bitterness burn. Now I'm coming alive, body and soul, feeling my world starts to turn, and I'll taste every moment and live it out loud. I know this is the time. This is the time to be more than a name or phrase in a crowd. No, this is the time. This is the time of my life. My life.
Jake Diaz ng Pangasinan. Tingnan natin kung ano masasabi ni Papa Jack.
You know what? Yung song kasi ay it's supposed to be symbolic sa'yo ngayon. Kasi pang-contest talaga yung kantang yan, no? I just felt like medyo nag-alangan ka to take the risk. Kasi meron eh. I think we are just getting to the good stuff at medyo nagpigil ka ng bahagya. Yung vulnerability sa pagkanta, sa aming mga nanonood, that makes the song and the singer human. It humanizes the entire experience. So sana pakawalan mo lang, iparamdam mo na you want this to be the time of your life. Jake,
Mamaya, mukhang Power Ranger, pero puso at boses Pinoy talaga.
Never forget how you want the sun to shine.
At sino-sino nga ba ang papasok mula sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao? Susunod na!
Rising star.